Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 20 to the power t plus 20 to the power t plus 20 to the power t divided by 10 to the power t plus 10 to the power t plus 10 to the power t is equal to 200. So what is the value of t? Solution from here, we have that in the numerator, 20 to the power t is common, so we factor out 20 to the power t, so that we will have 20 to the power t divided by 20 to the power t, this is 1, plus 20 to the power t divided by 20 to the power t, this is 1, plus 1, okay, divided by, now in the denominator, we have 10 to the power t is common, so we'll have 10 to the power t. Now 10 to the power t divided by 10 to the power t, this is 1, plus 10 to the power t divided by 10 to the power t, this is again 1, plus another 1, this is equal to 200. So the next step here, we'll have 20 to the power t multiplied by 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is actually equal to 3, divided by 10 to the power t multiplied by 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is actually equal to 3, this is equal to 200. The next step here, let's simplify 3 and 3, so that here we have 20 to the power t divided by 10 to the power t, this is equal to 200. Now, you find that 20 to the power t divided by 10 to the power t, this is in the form of a to the power n divided by b to the power n, which we can express as a over b raised to the power n. Let's apply this exponent property so that we'll have 20 divided by 10 raised to the power t, this is equal to 200. Let's simplify here so that we'll have 2 to the power t, this is equal to 200. To solve for the value of t here, we introduce the natural logarithm on both sides. So here we have log 2 to the power t, this is equal to log 200. Log 2 to the power t, this is in the form of log a to the power n, which we can express as n log a. Applying this power rule property of logarithm, then log 2 to the power t becomes t log 2, this is equal to log 200. So let's divide both sides by log 2 and log 2. So let's proceed from here. So let's simplify here. Log 2 and log 2 simplifies, so that now t is equal to log 200 divided by log 2. We can express 200 basically as 25 multiplied by 8. Okay, so let's substitute this. So here we'll have t is equal to log 25 multiplied by 8, and this divided by log 2. Log 25 times 8, this is in the form of log a multiplied by b, which we can express as log a plus log b. So applying this logarithm property, you find that t is equal to log 25 divided by log 2 plus log 8 divided by log 2. So the next step here, we can express 25 as 5 to the power 2, okay? And we can express 8 as 2 to the power 3, okay? So let's substitute this. So t is equal to log 25, which is 5 to the power 2, divided by log 2 plus log 8, which is basically equal to log 2 to the power 3, divided by log 2. The next step from here, we find that log 5 to the power 2, applying the power rule property, we'll have 2 log 5 divided by log 2 plus log 2 to the power 3. Applying the power rule property becomes 3 log 2 divided by log 2. So here we can simplify here, so that now t is equal to 3 plus 2 log 5 divided by log 2. Now we have that t is equal to 3 plus 2 log 5 divided by log 2. Now log 5 divided by log 2, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. So let's apply this logarithm property, so that t is equal to 3 plus 2 log 5 to base 2. Now this is the value of t. This is the value of t. So let's verify. So let's verify that this value of t actually satisfies the equation. Okay. Now, if you recall, we end that 2 to the power t, this is equal to 200. So let's substitute the value of t, so that here we'll have 2 to the power 3 plus 2 log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 200. Now here we have 2 to the power 3 plus 2 log 5 to base 2. This is equal to 200. Now 2 to the power 3 plus 2 log 5 to base 2. This is in the form of 8 to the power n plus m, which we can transform to 8 to the power n multiplied by 8 to the power m. So let's apply this exponent property, so that we'll have 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 2 to the power 2 log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 200. Let's check if this is true. Now here 2 to the power 3, this is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 8. Let's substitute this. Here we have 8 multiplied by 2 to the power 2 log 5 to base 2, which is the same thing as 2 to the power log 5 to the power 2 to base 2. This should give us a value of 200. Now 2 to the power log 5 square to base 2, this is in the form of m to power log a to base m, which is essentially equal to a. So that means that 2 to the power log 5 to the power 2 to base 2, this should give us a value of 5 squared, which is equal to 25. Now let's substitute this here. So we have 8 multiplied by 25. This should give us a value of 200. We have that 25 times 8, this is actually 200. And that shows that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And that affirms that the value of t, which is 3 plus 2 log 5 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video.